Vehicle? Check out the 2019 BMW 5 Series. The 5 Series incorporates bold styling cues that departed from BMW's traditional styling language. If you are looking for excitement and boldness, the 5 is for you. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, keyless entry, navigation system, power tailgate, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.